This is gorgeous.
Это я столы закрываю просто.
This is like indigo color. Very beautiful. Okay, so what we're going to be thinking today, what is the best material to use for your condo where you don't have much of a space and to enhance your window. And we've decided that going with solid colors, something like white, or if you'd like a little bit more shine and that dresses up the room but still staying into solid tones, would enhance the place much better than having a busy patterns like that, even though these are beautiful for a house, or if you want to add a piece, a little bit of a final touch to the interior. Yeah, this is nice as well. So if you want to add that cozy feeling, sheer does a great job on adding a little bit of a softness to the interior and then having a panel behind it. Every time look for the three important things. The first one would be the softness of the fabric. Some materials are like these gorgeous velvets, for example. They are quite thick, so the folder may not look as nicely when it's done and installed. Another thing, you should look for the texture of it. I would be careful with the materials like satin-ish. Look, we don't have them here, but I would stay more matte than less shiny, because when you have a big curtain comes in, the matte looks much better overall. And the third one would be okay, got it. So the third one would be staying within the lighter tones overall. We're having some interesting not solid but more patterned fabrics in here, so that would be very useful for somebody who's trying to stay away from solids like that and going more towards the accent on windows. So it's your call totally, but this is a little bit of a heads up and guidance on how to choose curtains for your condo interior if you don't have much of a space.